I recently heard a podcast where Dave Ramsey was talking with his staff about the concept of excellence in the ordinary. And I got to thinking about what that means for us at Timberview and how the little things that we do every day can add up to make us a successful school and a great place for kids to be. When you think about that for a bit, what are the things that we do on a daily basis that make us excellent? Maybe it's having that positive attitude, that spring in our step, and that energy and that excitement and enthusiasm to be at our jobs every day. The things that we say and we do that evidence for our students and for each other that we love being an educator and that we feel a sense of purpose in being there, and we know that what we do is important. Every person who has a job in our building, every person that Keller ISD employs is important to our kids. Keller ISD wouldn't pay us to do what we do if it wasn't important for kids. We are a school and we are a school district, and the whole point of what we are organized to do is to serve kids and to serve their families and to serve our community. And so we have to recognize that that sense of purpose is an awesome thing and an awesome privilege that we have every day. And so when we put our feet on the floor and get out of bed every morning, we have a purpose to fulfill. And we need to be able to show people how grateful we are for that in our actions and in our behaviors. You've all seen the teachers back in the old days, or maybe you even know some in current times. I don't know any in our building, thankfully, but the ones who mailed it in, they just showed up and took a paycheck. Man, if you're going to show up somewhere and take a paycheck, go show up somewhere that gives you a bigger paycheck, because working with kids, that's a calling. That's not about a paycheck. And so there is just so much that we can do to share with one another and to share with our students our gratitude for our sense of calling and our sense of purpose. I also think about our students. Our students at Timberview are so good about saying hello to people as they pass them in the hall, to each other and to our staff. Our students are so good about holding a door or picking up a piece of trash in the hallway or making a sign that says "You matter" or "Let's be kind to one another," or doing things to be helpful, doing things to serve. I see our students doing those things all the time. And they do those things because you guys as staff model that for them. You model that enthusiasm. You model that energy. You model that sense of purpose. And when we as educators model that sense of purpose and calling to what we do, then we have the opportunity to see our students reflect that back for us. And it's a wonderful thing to do. It makes our culture in our building more positive. It makes Timberview a greater place to go to school, a greater place to work. And it helps us to fulfill our overall purpose of serving our students and our community and making a difference in the world. So remember that it's the little things we do. Remember that we choose our attitude. So nobody can make us feel bad. We choose to feel bad. Nobody can make us angry. We choose to be angry. Nobody can make us happy. We choose to be happy. We choose our own attitudes. What attitude will you choose today?